现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT, and I'm Joseph Lin. This month, we're introducing you to the music of Sen Xiang and Band. This song is called Preserved Vegetables, which is something the Hakka love to eat, right? In particular, this song will describe how a farmer's wife prepares preserved vegetables as part of her daily routine. So let's learn and listen.
风在山忙，吹滚春江景，上位出生。一屋水煮王，酸条类皮针，排骨参香。皮多一条，冬至古天江，很点就没。当到阿妈白晒高丽菜，夹餸夹香芒，養到年後阿妹留菜種，包上不從條，養到年後阿妹留菜種，包上不從條，風在日忙，吹滾春江景，上我已出生。一屋水煮王，酸條來皮針，排骨參香。皮多一條，冬至古天江，很點就沒。當到阿媽白晒高麗菜，夾餸夾香芒。
吹管就是菜干，也是声翔乐队呢在唱的这个客家美食。不过他歌词里面是在一窥农村妇人在院中忙碌的在剥那个高丽菜啊，然后准备把它晒成菜干，同时他要忙着晒着当种子的玉米粒等等哦，让每一个人在听这首歌的时候呢，都能找到自己有连结的客家美食哦。诶，这样子听完了，是不是也会做菜干了呢？ Well, how cool is that? Now you know how to make some preserved vegetables after listening to this song by Sen Xiang and Band. There you have it, another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.